Oh. Head shakes.
Okay, here's the bigger.
Yeah. Bless the Lord, huh?
Only 24 or 23, but so fat.
This
26?
is, I think it's, pull that tail together.
Oh, it's stretched already. 26. 26 and a half?
Yep, 26 and a half.
Whew, nice catch.
Oh, they're thick in here right now.
Nice. Todd's got a good one. It might be 28.
Here's hoping.
Time will tell.
This is 3 fish on 3 casts.
It's a nice fish.
This is a nice fish too. Unbelievable.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, start recording.
Woohoo!
Alright, Todd's going 4 for 4 in one more casting. Let's watch it. You got the GoPro on you.
Okay, I'm not even gonna stop GoPro. Just let the GoPro run. GoPro's gonna run. 4 for 4.
4 for 4, let's see.
Let's go.
You know what happens if you go 4 for 4?
What?
You gotta get the grand slam on the 4th hit.
All right, here we go.
27 plus inches right here.
15. I know it too well.
No, so what happens is, on the 10-minute rule,
Yeah.
as soon as you catch one, you extend it another 10.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so you're saying 15?
15 at 15.
Wow. All right. So
My problem is I don't want to leave.
So if we don't catch another fish until 5 after.
Yes. Not to worry. This isn't too big, but this is another big fish.
We could do a double picture.
Oh, you got a double?
Mine's only about 20.
We'll still extend it to 4 o'clock. This isn't that big, really. Almost acts like a pike. Ooh, it's a little bigger than I thought. Pretty nice fish. Oh man.
GoPro, stop recording. Only 2 inches. Nice fish. You want it still or no?
No, we got plenty. Oh. It's not as big. Look at that swirl. Maybe it is big. You got one on?
Nice.
Got a
Good
fish on?
What's that?
Got a fish on?
Snake.
Oh.